push as many as I can.
Alin yan?
Ha?
Ano yung ipupush nyo?
Madaming baby. Charot.
My whole world changed suddenly when I saw something heavenly.
Magkaklase kami nung college, pero hindi kami close kasi magkaiba kami ng group of friends. Yung mga friends niya kasi puro bullies, tapos yung side ng friends ko, mga tahimik lang, ganon. Kaya umiiwas talaga ako sa kanya.
A world brand new, sky is
unang kita ko pa lang sa'yo, ay nabighani na agad ako sa'yo. Sakto pa nakilala ng boardmate ko hanggang sa dumating ang point na tayo ay kailangan ng masasandalan. Doon tayo nagkakilala hanggang sa tayo ay tinutusok-tukso ng ating mga kaklase.
And then you came into my life and I realized maybe that's why God sent you. Because He knew I was finally ready.
Finally, I feel
Lagi mong sinasabi na kaya mo yan. Sabi nila, ito ang susubok sa ating dalawa ang LDR, pero kinaya pa rin natin. Ngayon, ito na tayo sa isa sa pangarap natin ng ikasal.
Before we became together, I didn't ask the Lord to send the right man, nor did I ask for my ideal man. Instead, I told Him, Lord, sa susunod na magmamahal ako, I promise I'll be better. I will love harder, I'll be more patient, and I won't give up.
finally I feel alive. Finally I feel alive.
Ma, kahit ikakasal na ako, gusto ko lang malaman mo na nandito pa rin ako para sa'yo. Hindi kita papabayaan. Ikaw ang lakas ko.
Thank you. Naiyak ako.
Finally I feel alive. Finally I feel alive.
Bebe, ilang oras na lang magiging asawa na kita. Finally, after 10 years. I love you so much. See you later.
I used to count the stars in the sky.
Ito yung pinakamasayang araw na bahagi ng inyong buhay. Ito yung pangarap mo, Reb, para kay Reb. Ito ay bunga ng pag-ibig ninyo sa Diyos at pag-ibig ng Diyos para sa inyo. At ang kalooban ng Diyos na maging banal ang inyong pagsasama panghabang buhay.
What good is life if we're all just waiting to dance in the sky? I'm already there, here in your eyes. We climb the gates every time that you lie down next to me. I rest in peace. They say it's better, but how could that be? If everyone had a love like us, they wouldn't call that place above heaven.
Tayo ay laging magiging masaya. Hindi ko sisirain ang pinangarap natin na magkaroon ng pamilya. Kasamahan kita sa bawat hakbang ng ating paglalakbay sa buhay. Maraming salamat at nandiyan ka pa din. Salamat sa Diyos kasi ikaw ang makakasama ko habang buhay.
For every prayer, every tear, and every hope that led me to you, I know it was all worth it.
And I am grateful for every step that has brought us here. So thank you for this moment, my twin flame.
So tell me why, what good what good is life if we're all just waiting to dance in the sky? I'm already there, here in your eyes. We climb the gates every time that you lie down next to me. I rest in peace. They say it's better, but how could that be? If everyone had a love like us, they wouldn't call that place above heaven.
And as Ecclesiastes chapter 4 verse 12 tells us, a cord of 3 strands is not easily broken. And with God's grace, we are bound together. You are God's promise fulfilled in my life, and I vow to never let go of the love we have built.
If you ever wanna fall in love, if you ever wanna beg